Here are the features of our Tubex Combitube tree tube. You can notice that we have our venting pattern, which is in small sections that continue down the tube. They're on both sides of the tube, all the way down to our solid spray zone at the bottom. There's approximately 16 inches of solid tree tube that allows for herbicide spraying around your tree. You'll also notice that there's already pre-fitted releasable zip ties, tube per tube, already installed on the tube. You'll see that these tree tubes ship in what's called a nest of 5. There are 5 tree tubes inside this one outer tube. Allows for easy shipping, more economical. Pull one apart and you'll see that there's a flared rim to this. You can actually see how there's this flare here to the end of the rim. That keeps when your tree comes out of the top of the tube, it creates a nice soft edge for your tree in case it's windy and it doesn't rub and scar your bark or your tree. You also have the strengthening rods. You can see these 2 dark lines that go between the zip tie. These are little rods that will allow this tube to hold up in strong windy conditions. These ties will not be prone to pull away through the tube. You can see I'm pulling on this pretty good, and they're not going to pull through there. Strong, sturdy construction. There's also a laser line, as you can see here. A little perforated line that runs the full length of the tube, basically opposite from the cable ties there. Turn it around, there's your laser line. It's essentially just acts like the top of a notebook paper pad. This allows a weak point in the tube years down the road when the tree grows and equals the diameter of the tube. It will break at this laser line point, and the tree tube will essentially bust away from the tree, and it will not inhibit or cause any damage to the tree stem as it grows bigger or larger than the diameter of the tube itself. The larger diameter, 4.5 inches, all the way down to the inside diameter tube, which is just under 3.5 inches. That is our Tubex Combitube, sold in 4 and 5 foot heights.